Business aviation is exactly that. Business people on board private jets getting business done. People who charter a private jet have discovered it makes financial sense. Divide the cost among 6 to 8 passengers, and the price per person equals that of a first-class commercial airline ticket. And if time is money, then it makes even more financial sense for a group of business people to fly together on a private jet, getting business done and returning back to headquarters the same day, or making it home that night to spend time with their family. This is why private air charter is becoming the #1 choice of air travel today.